Guys, make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make, and they may end up spending thousands of dollars on repairs, diagnostics, parts that they may not actually even need. We'll talk about that in this video today. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find where the CDI Control Module fuses relays are located on Mercedes GLC 4th generation. Guys, please do not waste any money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix. And after that guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, we will share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Even before we start guys, let us share something with you. Okay, 9 out of 10 people do not know there will be hidden fuse boxes in that Mercedes. How many? Up to 6-7 different fuse boxes guys. Now, that's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel that's called Mercedes GLC fuse box location and diagram. Check it out. It's a video that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Now guys, when we make all these free videos, we take every single car apart that we get here at the garage. We make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmission, codes, fuses, relays, because our mission at the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. The CDI Control Module fuses relays come to show you where you can expect to find them. We will demonstrate on this generation Mercedes GLC. First we need to open the passenger door. We'll be working multiple fuse boxes, but the first one is in the passenger side footwell compartment. On the side right here of the A-pillar trim, you have one plastic cover that you need to open. Behind it you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue guys, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, let us tell you something really quick guys. People make one common mistake. They never test fuses, relays. They look at them and they assume they're good. At that point they think they have a good fuse or relay and they start replacing modules, computers, parts that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs guys. Always test your fuses. You have no idea how many cars we fixed for customers that said, oh, I checked the fuse, everything's fine, but I still have a problem. Now, some fuses are super hard to see if they're burnt or not. Some of them will be really easily accessible. You can clearly see them, but there will be fuses that are not see-through, fuses that may look like they're not burned, but they're actually burned. And often, guys, you can actually even test these fuses. Okay, let me show you now without even removing them. But it's very important to know how to test different fuses and relays, and if you want to see how to do that guys, we're going to put that link to a video in the description of the video below, how to test fuse, how to test a relay. Always check that. I want to emphasize that enough because it could be a really simple fix. Here we need to check one fuse guys, and we need to go to different fuse boxes. Where is that fuse? You see that fuse number 315? This fuse right here is the one that we will need to check. Then guys, after checking this fuse, we need to open the hood facing the engine on the right side. This is the driver's side. Under that cover you have the main engine fuse box that looks like this one. Here we need to check fuse 122 right here and fuse 126 right there. We're not done. We need to check relay G. Relay G. You're going to have relay J as well. Under that cover you have two relays. That one right here, it's a wide relay, you can see it, that's relay J right there guys. Next, we're still not done guys. You wonder why? Well, under the hood guys, on the left side where the positive jump starter terminal is located, if you remove that cover, that positive jump starter terminal looks like this one. This is actually a pre-fuse box, and the back side of that pre-fuse box looks like this one. It will have multiple cables attached to it. When you open it, it will look something similar like this one. It will have multiple mega fuses. Now, depending on the year and model, you may have two different configurations guys. Okay, that's one of them. And if you have that specific configuration right here, you will need to check fuse number 3 right here. But since you're already here, check all of them because other ones can cause problem too. And if you have that configuration, you need to check fuse number 5. But again, test all of them. Those are the main fuses, relays that we will guys need to check. Guys, this Mercedes has all kind of different fuses, right? You can see just in this fuse box we have two different kinds. Then if you go in this one, you have even some more special fuses right there in the trunk fuse box as well, guys. Now it's always a good idea to keep some spare ones, guys, in the glove box for a peace of mind. That way, if you're in the middle of nowhere, you need a fuse, you replace it, you're back on the road. Otherwise we'll be stuck in the middle of nowhere, guys. We'll share the links in the description of the video below, where you can get replacement fuses, relays, where we get most of our tools, part supplies from as well. Hopefully guys, the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching and see you next time.